Hey guys, we're back on our 06 Explorer here, and it looks like I hit something on the freeway. Took out the full front glass of my fog light. So we got some new ones here. Looks like it's going to be very straightforward. Looks like there's going to be 1, 2, and 3 push retainers. This goes in this way. So 2 on the inside, 1 on the outside. And they have very easy access to it. We just have to get up in between pretty much the fender liner here and the light, and we have full access. So let's go down there and see how easy it is to get in here. Okay.
Okay.
We have 3 fasteners under here. We have one here, and one, it's kind of hidden right over here. Same place. You can kind of see it up there. My phone's casting a shadow right there. So with that being said, these are going to be really stiff. You don't need to worry about taking this screw out right here. That actually just holds on this bottom cladding. And so what we're going to do, since these lights out front are actually damaged, I'm not too concerned about keeping these all fancy and pretty looking. So I'm just going to squeeze them. Most likely they'll break. And then we'll pull the light out and we'll stuff the new one in. So without further ado, yep. So I thought we were recording on the other side when we took the broken fog light out. So I bought a kit with 2 in them, just because I want them to look the same. So I kind of got those tabs busted on the back side of this, so now I'm just going to use my claw here to take this one out, and you can see it's just falling apart as well. So probably good that we got a set. So let's see here if we can get. So you got those backs popped, and then we just got. Oh, there we go.
You broke it.
Pull that out, and so I'll show you just here. See these guys? I squeezed them. Some of them broke. Just get some force behind there, and you can pop it out.
I need this one.
And we got this new light, and they're super easy to pop in.
I need this Niall. I need this one.
Just have to get these 3 tabs lined up, which they're anything but lined up on this one. Let's see here. There we go. Let's stuff it back in. And then reach around. We're going to just plug our light back in. There we go. We got it put in. So we got that one. It's working. We have the one over there that was originally broken. It's working. So that's the job done, guys. Not the best video just as far as angles go, but like I said, the easiest thing is if you have one of these that's broken, you just kind of see how these just kind of retainered in. Just kind of got to squeeze those and pop the thing out. Didn't take too long to pop out. This is pretty straightforward and easy. So if you like what you saw here, give us that thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.